Alright, this is a microphone test. I am 5 feet past the car. I'm using the hotec microphone, and I'm gonna go walk out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So that's about 15 yards. Seeing how I do right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is about 30 yards. I was a little bit behind the car. So again, 30 yards, seeing how this does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is about 40 yards, seeing if this is working at all. At 40 yards. I'm going to talk really quiet right now, so this isn't all that loud. Hey Eddie, this is more normal talking voice. How's it going? I'm going to talk real quietly, like an announcer from a golf thing. Now I'm going to talk